topic is narration competition about any form of literature. Form of literature. It is very common topic in literature about. We the students are very confused in word form of literature. We should all know what is literature. How many form of writing in a literature we have to focus on basic form of writing. Obviously we have to focus on what are various form of literature. What we use to call form in literary language. Basically we can say form as genre of literature. Various types, various form of literature in which a person used to write first, which is introduced in writing, or we can say the first form of literature to be written, either in British literature, either in Greek literature, or either in Eastern or Western literature or Indian literature. The form of literature is classified into literary genre and subgenre accordingly. First is poetry. It is writing use tongue and sounds in special ways to express ideas. The second form of literature is drama, a play for theatre told by character and dialogue. The third form of literature is fiction or prose, a story that did not actually happen in a real life. The last form of literature is non-fiction, is writing that is real and factual, or that actually happened. That is essay, criticism, autobiography, report and letter. Thank you. The third one is book introduction. The world of book is endless. However, only those books that have enlightened and entertained have become the all-time favorite of mankind. One such book is Ramcharitramanas, written by great saint and poet Tulsidas. It is my favorite book. It is considered to be one of the holiest book of Hindus. However, this has not stopped people from other religions to read it and realize its importance in our daily lives. On the simple level, it is the story of four brothers, namely Ram, Bharat, Lakshman and Shatrughan and their kingdom. On a more deep level, it teaches the mankind about the value of love, brotherhood, service, truth and unity. Ram did not question the decision of his father to send him to exile. Neither did Sita question Ram on his acceptance to the order to spend 14 years in exile. Thank you. The fourth and final topic is introduce an author which you admire. In Indian history, there are famous authors, poets are born. Kumar Sambhav Meghat are written by Kalidas. He was famous in Sanskrit during Gupta period. Mahabharata was written by Vedvyas. Glimpses of world history was written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. India Divided was written by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first President of India, and many more. Besides all of this, I admire the most Nobel Peace Prize recipient is Rabindranath Tagore, a great poet or author. He was born in 7th May 1861 at Johar Sangh in Kolkata. He took his education by private teachers for various subjects. He started writing poems in early stage. Tagore was interested in literature of William Shakespeare and followed his idioms. Finally, Tagore became a great poet and author. His poem was published in 1890 and achieved great popularity on his first poem Mansai. The short stories Gitanjali, Galpaguch, Kokabuli, Wala, etc. are very famous stories. Chandalika, the court dancer, Hungry Stones, etc. are the famous books written by Rabindranath Tagore. Thank you.